When one person signifies to another his willingness to do or abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of that other to such act or abstinence, he is said to make a proposal. Offerer, the person making the proposal is called the promiser or offerer. Offeree, the person to whom the proposal is made called the offeree or promisee. Essentials of a valid offer: 1. Express or implied. A. Express offer. An offer which is made by words spoken or written is called an express offer. B. Implied offer. The offer which is made by the conduct is called implied offer inferred from the conduct of the parties. 2. An offer must create legal relations. The proposal must be made in order to create legal relations, otherwise there will be no agreement. 3. Terms of the offer must be certain and not vague. The offer must be definite and certain. If it is indefinite, vague, it cannot be accepted. 4. An invitation to offer is not an offer. An offer is different from an invitation to offer. In the case of an invitation to offer, a person does not make an offer but only invites the other party to make an offer. 5. An offer may be specific or general. Specific offer: when an offer is made to a specific person or persons, it is called specific offer. Such an offer can be accepted only by the person or person to whom it is made. General offer: it is one which is made to this public at large and it may be accepted by any person who fulfills the requisite conditions thereon. 6. Non-compliance of a term: an offer cannot contain a term the non-compliance of which would amount to acceptance. An offerer cannot say that if acceptance is not communicated up to a certain date the offer would be presumed to have been accepted. 7. Communication of the offer: an offer becomes effective only when it has been communicated to the offeree. 8. An offer can be subject to any term and condition. An offerer may attach any terms and conditions to the offer. He may even prescribe the mode of